What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on this crypto called Mantra, also known as Ohm. So as you guys can see, it has pumped up near about 45% in the last 24 hours and is currently trading at just over 10 cents. So we're going to be looking at why did it go for a sudden pump earlier this morning, is it going to crash back down, is it going to pump further, and focusing on both buyers and sellers point of view, is now the right time to buy it, is it too late, should you sell it if you're on a profit, or should you hold on to it before it potentially heads up to 15-20 cents over the coming days, weeks and so on, and going through its prediction as usual over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2024, how high and how low can this crypto go. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So just to make it clear, Mantra DAO has been rebranded to Mantra, so those of you guys who are seeing two different names, that is the reason why. So this is officially its new name. So we are looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis, but for now I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Mantra, which is here in purple at 7 cents. However, the crypto is actually trading at a slightly higher value here in green at over 10 cents, meaning it is performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer, as usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we are looking quite skeptical. We got the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction. However, it is looking quite steep, meaning it's not realistic. And the blue line is looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, so going the opposite direction to the orange line. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. So what does this mean for Mantra? An overall drop in value is what I'm expecting from the crypto over the next 12 to 14 hours. So essentially towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I'm expecting the crypto to go for an overall drop in value down to below 9 cents in value is where I'm expecting the crypto to be trading at. Again, reason for that is due to the fact that it has pumped up quite a bit over the last 24 hours, so it is overvalued, and as you guys can see, it's already starting to drop down a little bit in value, and I'm expecting this to carry on over the next 12 to 14 hours as well. So by the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, the crypto should be trading at a lower value than where it is at the moment. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days this is not realistic at all. As you guys can see, the blue and the orange line are looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction and looking quite steep as well. So again, this is not realistic. The reason it's looking so steep is because of the major pump that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks that the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace as well. However, that is clearly not the case. So over the next 7 to 8 days guys, by the end of next week, I'm expecting Mantra to have dropped back down to around 7 cents in value is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. Again, same reason as the previous chart, it is overvalued, so it is likely to hit more red days over the coming days, dropping back down to its original value where it was trading at over the last couple of days. So an overall drop in value is what my expectations are at the moment, but again, doesn't mean it's going to be consistently hitting red days for the next 7-8 days. It is likely to hit the odd green day in between as well, but what matters is the overall outcome, which at this point seems to be more on the negative side. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, now we're not looking as steep. The orange line is just about looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and the blue line is looking quite steep, heading towards the bullish direction. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks guys, mid to late March 2024, I'm expecting Mantra to be trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment. yes guys, again, after the price correction, it is likely to go for a little bit of a drop down to 7 cents over the coming week or two, and then it should slowly start to gain value up to around 15 cents is where I'm expecting it to be trading at by the end of this quarter and early April as well. I'm expecting the crypto to be trading around 15 cents and heading upwards from there, potentially hitting about 25 to 30 cents by mid-year. But of course, depending on how the crypto market performs, and to be specific, how Bitcoin performs, as that is what controls the market in a positive and negative direction. And with a major drop that's recently taking place on Bitcoin, dropping from $48,000 to $41,000 right now, this has had a major negative impact on the crypto market. But at the moment, it is slowly starting to recover. So let's bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, we are currently trading in the top tier level right now. It's hit a new all-time high officially earlier this morning, so it is performing very, very well. However, as I mentioned earlier, as you guys can see, it's broken out from the blue zone into the top tier level here without resisting. So that is another reason I'm expecting it to drop back down into the blue zone here over the coming days, back to where it was, and then potentially breaking out from the blue zone here in early to mid-Feb, making it go back into the top tier level here. So going into the CoinMarketCap website, we can see here that the trading volume has also gone up over 600%, making it $61 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in trading, as it is one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours according to Binance as well, or even the top gainer. It is getting a lot of attention right now from both buyers and sellers. So again, when a crypto gains a lot of traction, it also helps the value of the crypto pump up as well. So at the moment, it is getting a lot of attention around the crypto, and it is gaining a lot of value as well. So yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Mantra, guys. Comment down below, how high are you guys expecting this crypto to go in 2024? Let me know, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And also guys, I've seen a lot of comments saying it may be able to hit the dollar mark towards the end of the year. However, for it to hit the dollar mark is going to require a major increase in value, which I'm not expecting at the moment. So yes, I'm expecting it to pump up, but not to that extent, because that is, if it does pump up to $1, it is going to be overvalued, which is going to result in a little bit of a crash, which we don't want to see. But yeah, this is my take on the crypto, guys. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.